Welcome to downtown Las Vegas, where vintage neon glows brighter than anywhere else in the world, and at the heart of it all stands a classic Vegas mainstay, the Four Queens Hotel and Casino. Opened in 1966, this iconic property has been entertaining visitors for over 5 decades with old-school charm, lively gaming, delicious dining, and some fascinating history you might not have heard before. The Four Queens didn't get its name from royalty, it got it from real people. The hotel was founded by Ben Goffstein, and it's named after his 4 daughters, Michelle, Benita, Faith, and Hope, each paired with a queen from a deck of playing cards. Faith was the queen of hearts, Hope was the queen of diamonds, Benita the queen of clubs, and Michelle the queen of spades. When Four Queens opened, it started modest, 150 rooms and a busy casino floor with slots and table games. But over the years, it's become known for a few quirky firsts. It once housed the Queen's Machine, at one point the world's largest slot machine, a massive 9-foot-tall relic of vintage Vegas gaming that drew locals and tourists alike. In 2003, Four Queens became one of the first casinos to offer Blackjack Switch, a variant that's since spread across casinos worldwide. Today, the casino still buzzes with classic table games, slots, and a lively sportsbook, all part of that timeless Fremont Street experience. Here's some fun stuff you might not know. The Four Queens once had a Ripley's Believe It or Not attraction in the 1980s before it became a nightclub space. Back in the 1990s, you could see the largest blackjack table in the world here. Despite renovations over the years, the property still keeps that vintage Vegas feel. Many visitors love that classic casino experience, gaming, neon signs, and all. As soon as you walk into Four Queens, one thing you notice right away is how accessible everything feels, and that starts right here at the registration area. Unlike many mega resorts on the Strip, Four Queens keeps it simple and central. The registration desk is located just off the casino floor, making check-in quick and easy whether you're arriving from Fremont Street or from the parking garage. Beyond gaming and dining, Four Queens has a vibrant live entertainment scene. From magic and comedy shows to hypnotism and magic acts taking the stage at the Canyon Club. A decade past, the casino hosted Monday Night Jazz, a weekly nationally broadcasted jazz showcase that ran for 14 years starting in the 1980s, bringing top musicians and attention to downtown Vegas. Whether you're on the hunt for a romantic dinner or a casual bite, Four Queens has some unique spots worth exploring. First up is Hugo Cellar. Not just a restaurant, but a Vegas institution since the 1970s. Here, dining feels like a step back to classic Vegas glamour. Dim lighting, tableside salads, aged steaks and seafood, and for every woman, a fresh rose at the door. For classic American diner fare any time of day, Magnolia's Veranda overlooks the casino floor with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, perfect when you need a quick break from the slots. Right in the heart of the casino floor, you'll find one of the social hubs of the Four Queens, the Queens and Queens Bar. These bars perfectly match the property's playing card theme, and they're exactly what you'd expect from a classic downtown Vegas casino. Lively, unpretentious, and always buzzing. You'll also find more casual options like Wanna Taco for tacos and Comfort Eats, a patio bar for cocktails before hitting Fremont Street, and even sandwich spots right inside. On the more casual side is Chicago Brewing Company, where you can grab deep dish pizza, craft beer, sandwiches, and more food with a Midwest vibe right inside the casino. So whether you're here for historic Vegas charm, a romantic dinner, or just a fun night in a lively casino, Four Queens captures a slice of old and new Vegas unlike anywhere else. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like and subscribe and let us know which historic Vegas property we should explore next.